In downtown Dallas here, we were seeing sleet this morning. Yesterday, when I left the station, just walking on the sidewalk, someone coming the other way on the sidewalk lost it on a patch of ice.
So we're going to the park today. It's very cold outside and I'm prepared, and we're gonna sled down the hill and stuff. It's really cold right now in Texas and there's a blizzard, so see you at the park. It snowed a lot the night before and we got hit with the blizzard here in Texas, so we headed out to a nearby park that had a really good hill, and I just used our sleds and went down the hill, and yeah, it's pretty cold. Alright, go down. Ah! Ah! Oh! We're still going. Ah! Oh. Alright. We started over there. And now we're here. Next to the tree. Alright. I'm gonna go for another one. If you're not from Texas or the southern states, you probably don't understand why like this was only 2 days in this video, but basically throughout the whole year we usually only get like 1 or 2 or 3 days maximum of like snow and winter weather, and it's usually in either December, January, February, or March or April. Like we don't usually have snow for Christmas, but basically if you are from Texas, then you would know exactly what it's like. You have to make the most of the days that it snows. So basically, I had a lot of fun sledding, and the ice was nice. It was a lot of sleet, actually, and this is what happened next.
Oh, yeah. What is he doing?
How you should really be using it is like a skateboard. Y'all might collide. Oh, yeah. That's okay then.
As you're watching the video, make sure to pay close attention to this car that just pulled into the parking lot, because look what happens next.
No.
Oh wait, not that. Look at what they do next. So they're pulling out of the parking lot and then they go towards the street, and then look. So this car just pulls out in front of it, and then they swing all the way around. Okay, so fast forward to the next day, which is actually today as I'm editing this video. We did go outside and there was still snow and sleet, but most of it was melting, even though it was still like 30 degrees, but honestly it was kind of warming up. So yeah, that's my vlog. Make sure to like it and subscribe, and I'll try to make more videos soon. Make sure to check out my sneaker channel if you like shoes, and that's all.